Today I'm going to work on 3D modeling some custom brackets that basically will replace those metal plates I made for my solar wing prototype version 2. I'm working on brackets that are like on the side of the panel here, and angle aluminum will attach all the way down the length of the panel and onto the hinge, and then it'll connect in the middle and there'll be a Tygo optimizer connected up there.
I like that. Looks nice.
I've designed this trailer to be NEC compliant with a rapid shutdown system, so there'll be a button you press on the side of the trailer, and that will kill all the DC solar as well as the DC battery side too. That means each solar panel has to have this little device on it that helps with shutting off the power when you press that button on the side. It also serves the purpose of optimizing, so it can try and balance if there's shade on a panel or something like that. That's the gist of it. So that's what I'm 3D modeling. I think my mom's gonna be out here painting the trailer in just a minute. First, look at the color of the interior. No pressure, don't mess up the line.
I can paint a straight line.
Or can you paint a straight line on camera?
You tell me.
Well, so far so good. Went with gray because white just shows every mark ever. And gray is kind of, you know, government gray. Makes sense. It'll match the gray batteries. Can you hear it? It's actually running, but it's so quiet. And it feels so good in here. It's like cold and dry and just quiet. It's beautiful. Never want it to change. My nieces are coming out. They're gonna start drawing me some pictures. What you drawing?
Don't know.
You don't know?
Nope.
Okay. Love it. We're burning daylight or rainbows?
I don't know.
I think they want to actually help paint, so that's pretty cool. I love seeing the creativity they have with different drawings. How are you drawing?
I can't tell you yet.
Oh, okay. Fine. You're what?
I am done.
You're done?
Yes.
Is that my head?
Yeah, it's a bit rainbow.
Mm-hmm. I like it. I like the colors. Keep it going.
We will.
I'm not sure how long the drawings will last on the whiteboard. Are you erasing it? But at least they'll be forever remembered in video format. Kevin and Craig helped with breaking down all the solar panel boxes and got those stacked up on a pallet so we can kind of move it around easy in the shop. And I threw all the cardboard in my gray trailer. It's probably why it's a lot heavier than the government contract trailer I got in the workshop now. Well, I just ordered the brackets that I finished designing a few minutes ago. Hopefully they'll be here this coming week, probably June 6th. My mom is pretty much done painting the interior of the trailer, so that means I can move on to doing the flooring, and hopefully the batteries and inverter will arrive on Tuesday. That's what it's looking like at the moment, but I don't have confirmation yet. So anyway, just trying to move forward with everything else that I can, get the last items ordered, making sure I don't miss something, and then work on documentation. So that's another big thing that has to be done for this build. But with the trailer here, it's just a matter of as things show up, you start installing them, and then hopefully we'll be done soon. It's still a lot of work, still a lot to go. Once I got my main brackets ordered, I worked on designing like a cover plate for where the bolts are gonna show on these side brackets here. They kind of look like hands a little bit. They stick in and, you know, whatever.
Does it just butt up to the solar panel?
I'm gonna tweak that. Just going for look right now, that's all. And pricing. But the cost of those little cover plates are so high that I'm not sure I'm gonna order them. I think it was $575 or $600 for little cover plates for all the panels. So not sure I'm gonna order those. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I 3D modeled them and I'll play around with a couple different designs. My mom and my nieces did a fantastic job on the interior of the trailer, painting that up. It looks great. I think my mom might come back for a second coat at some point, but it just feels really good to have a painted trailer. I know those of you that do this on your own trailers, you understand why. It feels like a usable space than something that can be kind of dingy or like a construction project. No shade if you use your trailer without painting it. I just want this thing to look professional, for when I deliver it to the county and for years to come, hopefully. With trying to design this bracket that has the Tygo optimizer on it, it was a bit of a challenge because there are no dimensions online anywhere for those bolt holes, and I don't have the Tygo optimizers here yet. I found a photo online and I used that in Fusion, and like they call it calibrating, so that I could measure a particular part of the picture and tell it was a certain distance, and then that helped me figure out kind of where those holes are hopefully supposed to go. I don't know yet because I don't have one on hand, so I tried to leave enough space to be able to shift it around a little bit or accommodate for some misalignment. Worst case scenario, I'll just kind of drill the hole a little bit, but it would be lovely if both show up and they just work as is. Guess what? Solar trailer kits are coming. So here's the craziest thing. With this video right here, I will have posted the same amount, 16 videos, in the last 3 weeks as I had since my YouTube channel started. This is mind-blowing to me. I don't want to think about it very much, so I'm just going to tell you that in honor of that, I am putting up a questionnaire on the website for solar trailer kit. So there's a form on there, just fill out the information, your email will go in it, you'll be put in a pool of people interested in the kits because I can only afford so much inventory at once, and it's gonna be limited in the beginning. So if you want a spot in line for a solar kit on your trailer, then you better fill out that form. Fill this out with as much info as you can and be detailed. And that way I can put together a list of people and inventory items and get everything set up for actually selling kits and doing installs and builds and all sorts of fun stuff. Finally, right? I cannot believe we're at this point while doing this government solar trailer contract. It's been kind of crazy the past few days, but thank you guys for following along, and you're the first to know about it. So there you go. Okay, back to the regular scheduled program. What is that noise? It's just my 3D printer having a heart attack. I'm waiting on a 3D printed part. I already ordered the custom bracketry for the solar panel hinges and wings, but I then realized I should probably 3D print something and make sure it fits, but it might be too late. Still though, I want to see it like tonight, and so I'm just waiting for this to finish. Tomorrow morning, I think I'm going to do the flooring inside here, but I need a roller to kind of help smooth out the rubber flooring, and I gotta run over to my neighbor's and see if I can't grab one from him, because I do not have one, and I don't want to wait for one to arrive, but I do want to get this done. So, I'll be right back. Sweet. We had a couple rollers, so I've got some options. Little guy, slightly bigger guy. And then this one is actually kind of heavy. Not quite as good as the big giant 100-pound rollers, but I think that'll be fine for this job here. I would like to tackle this in the morning, but I also want the rubber to have time to sit in the sunlight to warm up and kind of soften so it's easier to maneuver, and it's been raining nonstop for like 3 days now. So I don't know that I'll have the opportunity to kind of get it out in the sun. But first things first, tomorrow I am headed to the bank to deposit the very first check from the county government. So I have been spending a lot of money to get equipment here, buy a trailer, all sorts of things, and only on Saturday did the first check come. Hopefully the details I sorted out with the bank last week will pay off this week, because I want it to just go smoothly into the account and not have any issues there. It sounds like the batteries and inverter will probably arrive on Tuesday, so not tomorrow. They haven't even left the warehouse. I spent a lot of time on the computer 3D modeling. It ended up taking me a lot longer than I expected to kind of mess around with the bracket design, and I ended up designing a couple other things. I love the comments you guys are giving on the different ideas for solar panel hinges and frames and everything. I'm taking all of that feedback into account as I'm designing this and playing around with it, so I appreciate that. Hopefully what I end up with is a better design because of you guys, so keep up the feedback on how you think I should be doing things, or any advice or experiences that you guys have had with things like this is helpful to me. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for cashing the check and installing rubber flooring. Other things are starting to roll in, and tomorrow is a relatively large delivery day for just a bunch of other stuff. Nothing. I just like the glasses.
Uh-oh.
What?
You started recording.
How do you know?
Because I just saw you press the button. How do I turn it off?
You grab the mouse and you click the button that says stop recording.